Hindi ako makakapasok kasi ang lakas ng ulan tapos gusto ni TL mag-video daw ako na makikita yung baha. Pwede ba yon? Ang sagot ay hindi because a video can capture personal identifiable information or PII such as your house, your belongings, your family, and your location. And this is protected by the Data Privacy Act. And this law is also known as Republic Act 10173 or ang Data Privacy Act of 2012. Proof lang pala kailangan nila, send them the notification from the National Disaster Risk Reduction Management Council or yung NDRRMC notification, yun na nagsasabi na orange rainfall sa Cavite, sa Manila, or red rainfall sa ganito, or may possible landslide because their advisories are legally recognized and used as an indicator for weather threat. And did you know na may karapatan ang mga empleyado na hindi pumasok sa trabaho kapag may clear imminent danger or natural disaster? This is written in Republic Act 11058 or the rights to refuse unsafe work. And good to know that if you refuse to report to work dahil merong weather disturbances or may threat or may imminent danger, di ka pwedeng isanction ng management. This is also written in DOLE Labor Advisory number 17 series of 2020. Ay paano yun pag di daw ako pumasok tatanggalin daw nila ako? Go ahead. Pag tinanggal ka nila, that would be considered as illegal dismissal. So file a single entry approach sa DOLE. Ito yung link, ganito mag-file. Okay, so pag-click nyo ng link, mapupunta kayo dito. Sa top right corner, makikita nyo yung menu, then submit a request for assistance. Fill out the information, then pag-click nyo ng proceed, hihingin sa inyo yung information ng company na pinagtatrabahuhan nyo at syempre kung anong reklamo nyo. Pinag-initan ka after mo umabsent. That's great because that's another labor violation. That's retaliatory measures under Article 118 of the Labor Code. If ipaglaban ng empleyado ang karapatan niya sa employer niya at nagbago ang treatment pinag-initan sa employee, then that could be considered as constructive dismissal na pwede niya ulit ireklamo. Because that's another labor violation. And remember, inhumane and unbearable treatment are considered as constructive dismissal which may become illegal dismissal. If proven, magbabayad pa si employer ng moral damages and back pay sa empleyado. Iba kapag alam mo yung karapatan mo kasi kapag binuli ka ulit ng TL mo, pwede mo siyang tanungin, bobo ka ba? Kaya huwag kang matakot umabsent kasi kapag namatay ka, mag-hiring lang sila ulit kaya magpahinga ka na lang. Sana nakatulong, yun lang.